students, welcome back. So in today's class, now I am giving you 3 more derivations. That derivations are also important, as I told you. In the examination, out of these 6, they can ask any one for 5 marks. Fourth one, dx upon root of x square minus a square, same, prove that, is equal to log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So here the concept is very simple. If you are thorough in the first year, formulas. Now write down the first LHS. Consider the LHS. LHS dx upon root of x square minus a square. Put x is equal to a sec theta because of this number. Dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of sec theta? Sec theta into tan theta into d theta. And the remaining I will explain later. Write down dx value. A into sec theta into tan theta into d theta divided by x is what? A sec theta. X square is a square secant square theta minus a square. This is a sec theta into tan theta upon a square is common, secant square theta minus 1 into d theta. Now, what is secant square theta minus 1? 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So, tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. It is a sec theta into tan theta divided by root of a square tan square theta into d theta. It is a sec theta into tan theta. Square root of a square tan square is a tan theta into d theta. A tan theta get cancels. What is remaining? Integration of sec theta is remaining. Have you remembered what is the integration of sec theta? Open that formula list. It is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus, I am calling this as a C1. I will explain why I am taking as a C1. Now this I will rub here because I want the place here. Problem is started in terms of x. Here we got a theta. Then convert that sec and tan in terms of the x. What is sec theta here? Sec theta is x by a. Tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Root of x square minus sec theta is x by a. X square minus a square minus 1. Take the LCM. X square minus a square. This also comes under a root. But root of a square is a. That's why root of x square minus a square upon a. Now write down that value. It is log of sec theta is x plus x by a plus root of x square minus a square upon a plus c1. Take a LCM here. It is log of x plus root of x square minus a square upon a plus c1. Now it is in the form of log m upon log n. That is log m upon n is log m minus log n. Minus log a plus c1. These two constant I am replacing by this one. Plus c. where C is equal to C1 minus log E. Constant you can replace by any term. After that, therefore, integration of dx upon root of x square minus a square is, write it in the box. This is the fourth formula derivation. So now I am moving to the example. Only thing is the practice is required for these formulas. And after doing so many examples, we will remember these formulas. Write on the example. Dx upon root of x square minus 100. How you write 100? 100 will be written as 10 square. It is the log of x plus root of x square minus 100 plus c. One more example. Dx upon root of x square minus 7 square. That is the log of x plus root of x square minus 7 square plus c. See, like this we have to use the formula directly. Here don't derive, directly use the formula. Moving to the fifth derivation. To avoid your tension, in one class I am explaining only 3 formula derivations. Fifth one. Same, prove that dx upon root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x upon a plus c. So write down the LHS. In the solution, write down the LHS. Dx upon root of a square minus x square. Because of this a square, I am writing as put x is equal to a sin theta. Understood? Whatever is there, that's only one unit you have to take. If we say a square, a. If it is 8 square, 8. Dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta. Now write down that value. It is a cos theta into d theta divided by root of a square. X is a sin theta. X square is a square sin square theta. A cos theta upon root of a square common 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square? 1 minus sin square is cos square. A cos theta divided by root of a square cos square theta. What is square root of a square cos square? Square root of a square cos square is a cos theta. The term get cancels 1 into d theta. What is integration of 1 with respect to theta? Integration of 1 with respect to theta is theta plus c. But here see, sin theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. So write down that value. This is sin inverse x by a plus c. Write down the formula. Therefore, integration of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x upon a plus c. Write down the example here. Dx upon 30 36 minus x square. 36 is 6 square. Sin inverse x by 6 plus c. Next, see the example. Dx upon root of 1 minus x square. In place of 6 we have 1. It is only we can write, instead of x by 1 we can write only sin inverse x plus c. Like this we are using. Moving to the next formula, that is the last one in NCERT. So many formulas are there. Whatever there in the syllabus, according to that we have a 6 formula derivation, and in the examination they can ask one formula for 5 marks. Prove that dx upon root of x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. And again important derivation. Write down the LHS. Dx upon root of x square plus a square. Put x is equal to a tan theta. Differentiate this. Dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. A secant square theta into d theta divided by root of x value is a square tan square theta, because x square is there, plus a square. A secant square theta as it is here, a square common, tan square theta plus 1. What is tan square theta plus 1? Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. A secant square theta divided by root of a square secant square theta, and it is a secant square theta, denominator a square secant square, square root of a square secant square is a sec theta into d theta. A cancel, 1 sec is cancelled with this. It is integration of sec theta into d theta. What is the integration of sec theta? Log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. What is sec theta? Sec theta we don't know. First we have to convert tan. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Here I am writing c1. And sec theta is equal to root of tan square theta plus 1. Tan theta is x by a. X square by a square plus 1. When you solve this, you will get root of x square plus a square, and square root of a square is a. It is log of sec theta is root of x square plus a square by a. Tan is x by a plus c1. Take the LCM. It is log of plus x upon a plus c1. It is log m upon n. Log m upon n is log m minus log n plus c1. This constant I am replacing like this. Log of root x square plus a square plus x plus c. See, it is middle, first we have plus, but in between plus means you can interchange the terms, where c is equal to c1 minus log a. Therefore, integration of dx upon root of x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Understood? So like this we are solving all the 6 formula derivations. Now I am giving you examples for this. Dx upon root of x square plus 4. 4 means 2 square. Log of x plus x square plus 4 plus. Next, dx upon root of x square plus 1 square. That is log of x plus root of x square plus 1 plus c. So like this we have to solve the formula, and with the help of formula the examples. So in the next class I will give the example based on these 6 formulas.